Today, we're adding a touch of magic with our Choose Your Gift challenge, pink, black, or gold. You'll encounter 60 thrilling options with only 8 seconds to pick your prize. Each one comes with a surprise twist. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's dive right in. It's decision time. Choose your gift, pink, black, or gold. Select a gift. Exciting surprises await you. Pick one and let us know what you got. Keep the surprises coming. Choose your bike. Ready for next round? Choose a gift. Trust your gut. Choose your tennis balls. Choose your gift. Unwrap the surprise now. Pink, black, or gold? Choose your task. Like, subscribe to Quiz Forest, and let us know your favorite food by leaving a comment down below. Ready for another round? Pick a gift. Trust your gut. Choose your door. Which gift box will it be this time? Pink, black, or gold? Choose your motorbike. The game continues. Pink, black, or gold? Is it the pink gift box's turn to shine for you? Choose your milkshake. How about choosing the gold gift box this round? Choose quickly, pink, black, or gold. Keep up the momentum. This time, I'm going with the black gift box. How about you? It all depends on your luck. Choose your apple. What's your favorite color? Let it guide your choice. Choose your cupcake. Let's move on to the next option for you. Pink, black, or gold. Pick one gift. How lucky are you? What about these gifts? This one is not easy to choose. Can you decide on a gift now? Keep the surprises coming. Make your choice now. Who's excited for gift number 34? Be careful, one of the three is a trap. Choose your boat. Which color do you like the most? Pink, black, or gold? Choose your gift. Keep the surprises coming. Choose your challenge. Comment below your favorite color, your disliked color, or your fear. Let's move on to the next option for you. Do you trust your intuition? What's your take on this round? Are you feeling lucky today? Choose wisely. Keep going. Make your choice now. You're on fire! Keep it up! Are you lucky or not really? I hope you're getting good things. Choose your cookies. Which one is your favorite? What do you think? It all depends on your luck. Choose your console. Which one do you think is perfect for you? Have you left, middle, or the right one? What gift are you taking? I'm gonna take the pink gift this time. What about you? Last option. Choose your notebook. Thank you for spending time with us today. What's your favorite color, and what challenge would you like to see in the next episode?